Welcome back. My name is Dre. I help people master their journey. And in this video, I want to go over a very powerful breathing technique that you can use, anybody can use on your journey to just skyrocket your results with NOFAP, semen retention, how we can truly transmute this energy and keep it flowing in a very, very powerful way. So before I start off, I want to give you a warning. You saw in the description. This is not for beginners. This is not for beginners. If you are on your NOFAP journey and you are in the beginning stages of curing your addiction to porn, to social media, this is not for you. You can implement these practices, and you should. But remember, please remember, this is the next level. In the beginning, you need to reprogram your mind. Get away from that dopamine fix, all that just BS that you don't need. So, with that out of the way, anybody that's on your journey of semen retention and you are going 90 days, 100 days, 200 days, listen to this. This is the most powerful trick, tip, hack, whatever you want to call it, that I've ever learned on my journey of becoming an exceptional human being. And that's what I want for you. Become better, become great. So listen up. When you practice semen retention, you are cultivating your seed, that energy, that very powerful energy. You're letting it build up in your sacral chakra, very important. So as it builds and builds and builds, it will, by default, transmute into the other chakras, which in turn will give you the benefits that you see in semen retention. Attraction, okay, less anxiety, more overall courage and will. Okay, they're all true. All those benefits are true. But if you are trying to get those benefits and you're waiting for it to seep into the other chakras, you're wasting time. We can speed this up. So this is how you speed it up, man. You use this breathing technique that I'm going to show you. It allows the energy to move faster and with more power into the other chakras. And I kid you not, man, this is powerful stuff. You better be ready for it. Whenever you go out in public, there will be other things happening to you besides just getting looks from girls, man. For example, say you're at the grocery store. You're buying some food. Maybe you're at a department store buying some clothes. You'll find that people will cater to you. They will cater to you as if you're in charge. They will give you deals. They'll give you discounts you didn't even ask for. They'll do things for you. You just off the wall. That's the kind of stuff that you need to expect. Now, it goes even further than that. And I always preach to you guys, don't let the attraction part of women, don't let that be the big prize, because it's not. It's not. When you start living life in this way where people start catering to you and they start treating you like the fucking man, like the boss, it does something to you that if you are not ready for this and you're still in like little boy fat mode trying to reprogram, you're gonna take advantage of this. It's gonna corrupt your ego. And you won't get the progress that is sustainable that we all want. It'll be quick. It'll be quick and painless. You'll get a couple little spikes of like that, whoa, that was awesome. And that's it, man. Instead of carrying that with you and imprinting it on who you are as a man. That's what we want. Longevity, vitality. So listen, this differs from all men. The younger you are, the less time it takes. The older you are, the more time it takes. So a 20-year-old is going to be way different than somebody in their 50s or 60s. It's going to be different. And 10 days is a general outline. You are on your own path. Only you know what is right for you, what gives you that ultimate vitality. Only you know. Learn to pay attention to yourself, to your body, to your energy that surrounds you. Okay? You have this invisible force field of electromagnetic energy that surrounds all of us. It surrounds you at all times. Tap into that and learn your body, learn your energy. When you do that, you can pinpoint, you can make it crystal clear exactly when your transmuting process is at its fullest. And you can take advantage of this. If you're preparing to say to go on a date, take advantage of this. Get a job, take advantage of this. Go travel, do things like, you can take advantage of the energy that we cultivate if you're, wise, if you're more strategic. And that's the whole point of all this. The whole point of all this. So if you're on semen retention, if you're practicing, okay, and it becomes to a point where it's natural, man. It's natural. Even if you're with somebody, if you're dating, if you're married, it becomes natural. It becomes a part of your physiology where you just know that you can ejaculate. It's time. And it's okay. It's healthy to do this. So this is the beauty of it. This is the beauty. If you take anything away from this video, this is the beauty of it. When you're beyond NOFAP, when you've reprogrammed your mind and you're into just retention and it's just a part of your daily life, you're transmuting this energy through meditation, through the breathing technique I'm going to show you. There are many techniques, but this is a good one for beginners to just get the energy flowing. You'll start to realize that your chakras fill up like batteries with the energy that you have cultivated through retention. Now, if you ejaculate and you clean out the sacral chakra, it's not like it takes forever to get it back. And the longer you do this, and the better you get at clearing your chakras, okay, getting all that trauma, all that bullshit from your past, okay, out of there and making everything clean and free flowing, it gets even easier, man. But you'll learn that, I can have sex with my girlfriend 2 times a week, okay? When you're younger, you can even go more than that. And you'll notice that the benefits, the anxiety, the brain fog, how you feel, your workouts, okay? Your will to eat good food all the time, or whatever you do. We all know those places in our lives where we fall off, where we'll just fall off. Those they're not there anymore, man. You'll notice. And I know that you've noticed, especially if you've relapsed, you know what it's like. You cultivate and just harness all this energy and you see a couple little benefits and then you relapse and you start getting brain fog. You start, you don't care what you eat. You wake up at 10:30. Okay, you're staying up all night. You're watching stuff on TV, not getting anything done. Not being productive, not working out, not reading. You know when that happens and you go downhill, man. Coming back out of that, nobody likes that. So that's another huge benefit of learning your body, man, because you never have to dig yourself out of a hole. When you power up the rest of your chakras, okay, if one of them is depleted, okay, if something happens in your life, say you're suffering a loss, like a family member. Tragic, hardcore stuff that depletes your chakra energy and your overall vitality. So if you have other energy in the rest of the chakras to loan to that, it powers it back up a little bit more, man. You don't have to start from scratch. You don't have to go there. Your body and energy will just work together. And here's the technique that you've been waiting for. You just meditate. And in your meditation, this can only be done from a centered, neutral, non-judgmental place. Okay? You can't just wake up and close your eyes and begin doing this technique. It doesn't work like that. You got to prime. Sit with yourself. However you feel comfortable, spine straight, sit up straight, and just breathe and focus on your breath and become centered. Now, when you get to that centered place, that blissfulness where you're just sitting in your vortex and you're just taking it all in from source, then begin to breathe. Breathe into your diaphragm, into your stomach, not your lungs. And right around where your sacral chakra is, which is right behind your pelvis, right in the middle of your pelvic bone, concentrate your awareness on that area. Where you place your awareness, you place your energy. And place your awareness there and just visualize that energy building and building and building. And breathe in and draw all that energy up your spine. And when you get to the top, hold your breath for just a few seconds. And as you release, imagine this energy coming out of your crown chakra, the top of your head, and just keep transmuting and just allowing it to flow. So I want to really set in stone here. This is not something you do quick. You're not, no, none of that. Very slow and methodical, with intention, with purpose. Okay? Place your awareness right on your sacral chakra. Allow that energy to become big and bold, and breathe in and allow it to move up through the other chakras and power them up. And then when you get to the top, just hold it and clench your muscles in your stomach, right at the bottom of your stomach. Not super crazy hard, very hard, but not to where you're uncomfortable. Just clench it, hold your breath, and release, and let it all out. And do that over and over. Do that every morning for 10 days, and I guarantee you, you will feel and reap the rewards of practicing retention for months. This is how you speed up the process. This is how you get over any sort of desire that you may have to relapse, because you're moving that energy. The urges that we have that, they're so hard to overcome. We just feel that sexual urge and it's like we need to get it out. It's because you're not transmuting the energy. When you feel those urges, don't like stray away from them. Use them as an indicator to now you need to transmute. It's time to move that energy. Now, this goes to all of our chakras. Remember, where you place your awareness, you also place your energy. We can use this meditation and this breathing technique in each one of our chakras. And excellent things can happen. And I will get into that in other videos. But today, I want you to take this video, run and play, my friend. Tell me your progress, comment down below and tell me, how many days did it take you? What kind of progress did you see? What stuff in this real life, in the real world, happened to you that you were just blown away by? I love hearing that stuff. That's the best stories. So thank you for watching the video. If you dig this kind of content, watch some of my other favorite videos. I have a couple on retention and NOFAP. I also have some excellent videos on life coaching that, if you're in the beginning stages of reprogramming your mind and becoming a better man. Some good stuff on this channel. So there you have it, my friend. A very powerful breathing technique that you can use every day in your meditation that will skyrocket your results, and you will actually see the benefits of your hard work of retention and NOFAP. This is what you truly want. This is what I always wanted. I wish I had known this earlier, man. Have fun with it. Practice it every day. Tell me how it goes. Thank you for watching the video. I got a couple more here. They're my favorites. I've made some good ones on retention and NOFAP that I think that you should watch. Might be very useful to you. Like on the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Very, very important. I'll see you in the next one, my friend.